and welcome. Really looking forward to this match this afternoon. Wonderful to have you with us today. Another exciting Super 8 secondary schools clash today in Napier between two proud schools. Napier Boys High School and Palmerston Boys High 2. Napier coming into the match looking to bounce back after a narrow 21-15 loss to New Plymouth Boys, while Palmy will be looking to respond after going down 34-10 to Rotorua Boys High. Both sides will see this as an important opportunity to build momentum as the Super 8 competition heads towards its business end.
To local Gecko Productions, all our sponsors, Whakata MāORI, e te iwi, hara mai, piki mai, kake mai, ki tēnei whakapāhotanga. Super 8, 2026.
Run away, and it's the home team Napier have the kick-off duties, and they're surging onto the football here at the moment. Palmerston North Boys High School. This is good play, centre field, winding it up. Lovely run from Party on the far side of the field. He's got a runner, delivers it beautifully. And back on the inside for skipper Ollie Reid, in for try number 1, and it was a classy effort.
35-minute halves here in the Super 8 competition. Shanked it, hooked it.
That really soaked up a lot of pressure, and now a chance to show their attacking prowess. Big tackle from the number 8, Reid, as well. There's the inside pass, beautifully delivered. The step, the ball over the top, magnificent footy. And Napier Boys High School are in to score down the right edge. That's the best possible response. But what about the inside ball there, Moiho?
E ko ai tērā, ko Roigard, ko Sam Roigard tērā, te nama iwa.
Well, he just sort of screamed onto it.
Ko Harry Bain ke, tirohia tātou mā.
I thought it was Usain Bolt.
Kaua ko te kai oma teo me mihi ka tika ki te kai maka, kai whiu I te pauro.
Here we go, kicking T, let's ride him home, Moiho. Coming around, coming around.
Runga I te.
That's not very enthusiastic.
Kiri auare ake.
Wish we could count on the phases of play. But there's the toe through. This is going to become dangerous at the back. Here come the Raiders. They set themselves up beautifully. Ball taken in from Josh Stevens, who delivers it wide. Here's a big chance here for Palmerston North. Over the top of the pass out to Jack Greaves. He's got it. He's only a couple of metres away from the try line.
Ngā manuwhiri, e pātoto ana I te kuaha. E wero ana I te rāringi wawao. Te pāpā I o ea. 5 mita te tawhiti te rāringi piro. Ako te hawhi pēke a Pais Mitchell Hopa. E tohu ana I ona hoa. Ka hatia, ka pāhi ki te pīki whara, te paumua, te nama toru I tau te pōro kahore rānei. Got the goods at the moment, te pāpā I o ea, the fend from Whanua and the footwork.
Yeah, that was exciting, wasn't it? Fleet-footed, love to see him with a little more space. As Max Hill gets into the mix again. I like his attitude, he knows his role too, the prop forward. Little offload here to Leo Webb. Good solid play from Palmerston North as they get themselves set. Here's Mitchell Hopper. And offside, so.
How can I not mention Max Hildale? The year 13 prop who's playing like a back.
Here's the throw-in. So it's Harry Jones. Here comes the opportunity for Napier to strike back. 8-7 scoreline. Just a few minutes left as they run towards the post is encouraging. Are the Blue Boys going to make it? That's the question. And rolling towards the try line they are. Just a couple of metres away. This is exactly what the doctor ordered if you're a supporter of Ahuriri. Up goes the hand from the referee. And who is it? You know it.
Harry Jones.
Yes, Mr. Jones.
Ka koake. A tōna ngākau. I tērā o ngā piro. Mutunga o te wāhanga tuatahi.
Another opportunity too. Far side of the field, this is a decent run. Oh, look at that ball back on the inside. Keeping it alive, but it's been turned over at the back. That's been just charged down, so we'll have the line out. A couple of metres outside the 22. Better than 21 to 15. Back into the action here as it's taken down to the back. Napier Boys on the sprint. The chase, though, from Palmerston North is impressive as well as we come towards the last 10 minutes of action. Here's the kick downfield on the far side of the field. Little bobble, trying to keep it in the field of play. And then the ball ends up for Napier. And an opportunist try on the far side of the field. Napier profiting, although it'll come back by the looks of things. The defence is being tested again by Palmerston North. Whipping it inside. Solid through the middle. Good support running here by Ricky Withers. Still with the football. There's the break. Classy ball back on the inside. Still alive. Is that Withers? Fantastic conclusion to Napier. The celebrations are valid. Wonderful effort here from the home team. Just sustained pressure. Well, picking that's Withers. Deep into the match. 19-8 with the kick to come. So love it. Hits that one. Find themselves now with an 11-point lead. They're always after a spot in the final. At the moment, we've certainly got one foot on the field. Here's the ball on the far side. But the game can take twists and turns, as we know. Palmerston North sort of an air of desperation now as they look up at the scoreboard and realise that they have to do something, and something very special. This run down the right edge is exactly that. It is brilliant, and Taj Horaki will come around to score close to the posts and convertible. What a fantastic single try, amazing effort. There's time on the clock. The conversion is unsuccessful. This is good play. This is what you expect at the back end of heavy competition. to keep going. All that work, all the fitness, all the effort that they've put in 2026 is paying dividends now for the home team. They'll keep it alive, low to the ground, 5 metres out from the try line, just peeling away the metres, metre by metre, millimetre by millimetre. This is wonderful rugby. It's coming towards the line. There's another try here, but who needs it? The kick out into touch. And I'm thinking that Napier thought it was over, and indeed it is. It's victory. It's celebration. It's a win for the home team. It's a deserved victory as well, as Napier secure their spot in the final against Hamilton with a success 19-13 against Palmerston North in Napier this afternoon. What a game of rugby, and the celebrations speak for themselves.